Brett, how did COVID change the way we travel in terms of getting back out there now? What are the key differences you're seeing?
Yeah, well, a lot of trends that we're seeing now are still people a bit hesitant to go to continents like Africa, the subcontinent, India and Sri Lanka. There's been less demand. We've seen higher demand for places like Europe, Japan opening up in the US. So we've seen travel demands continue. There's huge demand out there. It's just shifting as to where those patterns are going at the moment. But certainly as countries restrict a lot of their easings, people start to realise you can actually go to most countries now unrestricted. We'll start to see those normal travel patterns start to play out. But it's great to see a lot more dispersion as well. We're seeing a lot of our clients enjoying more nature-based type activity, more active style trips like walking and cycling. So it's pretty good from a wellbeing perspective, I think, when we're starting to see those sort of travel trends occur.
And Brett, are people expecting more flexibility in terms of being able to cancel at the last minute, factoring in illness, in terms of wanting to be able to get refunds if they need to, if they can't travel at the last minute? Is that something that the sector's really had to respond to as well?
It certainly has, Ashley, and I think the sector has really responded well to that. And I think this will be the norm going forward. I think the new policies airlines have around being able to be a bit more flexible in changing and not having the big fees that are attached to that. Most tour operators now have really good policies. Cancellations and people having to cancel for different reasons is well understood now, and I think most businesses are really supportive of that. And I think the more businesses can look after their clients from a cancellation perspective and a flexibility perspective, they're going to be better off, because I think clients really respect that from businesses that look after them. And certainly at Intrepid, we will try and have the most friendly customer policies we can offer.